ranges. I've left that, I think that's in a Stilby, and it just looks really nice when there's frost on it. So I won't cut them off, I'll leave them. Just nice, looks lovely. Further down I found a quince, and the quinces that fell off you'll see I've left because I've chopped them all in half and threes, because quinces, if you look carefully, are full of seeds, and the birds will come now and take the seeds. Just what they need at this time of year, and that's why I've not removed them. So I've not left any debris, I've just left it for a purpose, and the purpose is wildlife. So under there I've not touched till all them seeds are gone, and that's what that does. So, you know, you've got to work in harmony with wildlife. So as you can see, the border's tidy now, and what I've taken out is looking good, and I'll get all that in the bin. I've got 2 lots there to clear off. That edge